guys, today I'm talking about one thing that's working right now on Amazon to improve your listing conversion rate. By the way, do you see what number on my shirt right now? It is a custom print t-shirt that I made to go to Australian Open Men's Final Match day, and I was expecting to see Djokovic winning his 25th Grand Slam. Well, he didn't make it eventually, and my second favorite player, Zverev, also didn't make it and lost to Medvedev at the semi-final. Disappointed, but what can I do? I'm still going this evening with great excitement for my first Slam final, but I will have to change the shirt. Okay, back to business. My question for you is, what have you done to improve conversion rate of your listing on Amazon? Imagine with the same amount of traffic, if you increase conversion rate by say 20%, meaning that you will increase sales by 20% without spending more money on ads. One thing that is working right now that will help improve your listing conversion rate significantly, that is Amazon Post with user-generated content. Now, I've talked about types of product photos and videos that convert well on Amazon, including user-generated content, in my book about how to build a six-figure Amazon listing from day one, which is soon to be published early this year. You may want to check it out. It's not the final title of the book, but that is the overall idea. I will put the link in the description of this video whenever it's ready for you guys. It took me quite a while to finish the book, so it's worthwhile checking out. I'm sure you will find a number of things that are helpful and applicable to your Amazon FBA business. Okay, what is an Amazon post? It's a feature for brand owners to post on their store. So it's available to brand owners only who have a store, as you can see on the screen. So in a store, there is a feature called posts. It's similar to when you post on your Facebook, Instagram, or any other social platforms. And before you could post only images, now you can post video. How good is that? Posts are now not only visible on your product listing, which I will show you later, but also on your store's brand feed, related feeds, category feeds, and style feeds for all channels. So basically, Amazon system will show your posts on many places as possible, including your competitors' listings under related posts, as you can see on the screen. And all of these placements will be free traffic. How good is that? At the same time, posts are also beneficial to Amazon itself. They have increased user engagement. So Amazon encourages brands to utilize this feature. Basically, it's a win-win situation, right? Okay, putting aside free traffic, the following are the two main reasons that posts will increase your listing conversion rate. The first benefit is posts will give you additional space on your listing to showcase more of your product besides all other listing elements that you already have. When you have regular store posts, Amazon will display all of your posts on a dedicated carousel section on your listing called Inspiration from this brand, as you can see on the screen right now, right underneath your A+ content, if any, and on top of the sponsored ads section. What does it mean? This means more of your content will be shown to potential buyers before they scroll down and get distracted by ads that Amazon stuffs in the listing. This is one more great chance for you to convince shoppers and take them to a purchase decision before they get distracted. And if you don't have posts, the sponsored ads section will be moved up and shown to shoppers earlier before they get to your product reviews section. And the second significant benefit of posts is that they will help grow your audience on Amazon. Right on top of the posts section is your brand's logo and a prominent follow button. If someone likes your post, they can follow your brand right on your listing without having to go to anywhere else on the website. This again has a direct impact on your listing conversion rate, and as you can see here, conversion rate of my brand is higher than average of the category. Since I executed posts, I've seen a noticeable increase in the listings conversion rate, and my brand's conversion rate as well. So let me show you. So this is my brand's analytics on Seller Central, and as you can see, the customer conversion rate of my brand is 13.6% compared to 11% of the category average, right? So my customer conversion rate is higher than the average, and I'm very close to the top of the category, that is 16.9%. There is a little bit to go, but it looks very positive right now, and I will keep improving my listings conversion rate, and definitely I will get to the top. And this is another of my brand. The customer conversion rate is also higher than the category's average. Also, for the particular ASINs of the brands, I also can see a noticeable increase in the listing conversion rate by 30% for the last 30 days. Now, to qualify for your post to appear on your product detail pages, you will need at least 10 live posts. Amazon currently recommends you post every 2 or 3 days. Okay, you might think, how do I create photos and videos for Amazon posts? There are several ways to do this. The first way is, well, simple. Use your phone. You can be the model or ask a friend or family member to help you demonstrate the product. It really depends on your creativity, and the sky is the limit. The second method is to hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork to create user-generated style content for you. And the third way is to work with an influencer. This option will be a little bit costly than the other two options for sure, but definitely that is one of the ways. And the fourth way is, if budget is not your concern, then hire professional photography and videography studio on a frequent basis to produce professional look for your content. So I myself did all of the first 3 methods. What I find the most efficient and highest engagement so far is surprisingly the method 1, the photos and videos I did myself simply using my iPhone. As you can see on the screen, it's me. Oops, me again. And video posts now are getting the highest engagement rate. This is why I want to emphasize user-generated content. The trend in advertising that I can see from many brands right now is using user-generated look-alike photos and videos in their ads. And this tactic is actually working. Just pay attention to ads on your Facebook stories or YouTube or Instagram and any other social platforms that you are using, and you can see what I meant. Amazon Store provides you with analytics where you can see important data of your posts, such as reach, views, engagement, clicks to listing, and so on for every of your posts. So you can identify what post style is likely to bring you more engagement for your next production, right? As you can see on the screen right now, the last thing I want you to keep in mind is that don't assume, and let the data decide. Measure performance of your post and identify which type of content will bring you the most engagement. So whatever gets measured gets improved. Again, I talked about A&B testing and the importance of understanding data in my book of how to create a 6-figure Amazon listing from day 1, which is soon to be launched, and I will put the link to the book in the description of this video whenever it's ready for you guys. Okay, I have to go to my Australian Open final now, and hope you guys have a good day, and bye for now.
And me at Rod Laver Arena Stadium. Shirt changed. But it was an awesome men's final match. It's worth it.